Assalamualaikum grade 5. I hope you are doing well. So today we start the next topic, that is soil, on the page number 93. So basically, what is soil? We know that the upper layer of the earth is the crust, and it is the uppermost layer of the earth crust. Soil is basically the uppermost layer of the earth crust. And how is it made, and what's the composition of the soil? And soil is made up of, basically it's a mixture of weathered rocks, organic matter, air and water. Soil is made up of water, air, particles of the minerals or the organic matter. Organic matter basically belongs to the dead plants and the animals that is present in the soil. So soil can be found almost everywhere on land, and it is the material that covers the earth's surface. And soil is very important because many living things use it as their supply of nutrients and the place of shelter. Soil is important because living things live in there. Some small animals like the rabbits, they make the home there. Beetles, earthworm, millipedes, snakes, rats, they are home for the plants or some animals, and they also supply the nutrients to the plants to growth. All plants that we eat grow in the soil. Plants directly or indirectly are the source of energy for the all living things on our planet. And next here you can see the big that soil supports the plants by holding their roots firmly and by providing the important nutrients for their healthy growth. And soil is also used to make the useful like the potter makes the pot from the soil. Next, what is the soil made up of? Soil is made up of four things. And which four things? Water, air, particles of the minerals, and the organic matter. And the organic matters are the dead plants and the animals. And the minerals that comes from the broken rocks found under the ground. And it takes years for good fertile soil to form, and living things such as animals and plants die. They rot and mix with the topsoil, and this soil is rich and fertile, and it's called humus. Plants grow well in humus. Humus is the most fertile soil because it contains the dead particles of the plants and the animals, and they have the variety of the nutrients in them. That's why the humus is the most rich and fertile soil. Now move to the next page, page number 94, and the next topic is the animals live in soil. Which animals live in the soil and what they are doing there? So small animals such as rats, moles, rabbits and snakes make their homes in the soil, and smaller animals such as earthworms, millipedes, beetles, ants and slugs also live in the soil. And these animals helps to aerate. Aerate means it's bring air into the soil. They make the aeration, airy the soil, while their waste enriches the soil with the nutrients they contain. Here is the box, that is the do you know? There is no soil on the Mars and Venus. How is this so when the both planets have plenty of rocks? And what is missing is life? There are no bacteria or fungi to make humus, and no rabbits or earthworms to loosen the topsoil. Here they tell us that on the Mars and the Venus there is no soil, but there are rocks. But due to they lack life there, and there is no bacteria or the fungus, and there are no rabbits, there are no earthworms that they dig up the soil and make the soil loosen. Okay, here are the important points for today's lecture. Soil. So we are studying about the soil. Soil, here you can see that defined. The uppermost layer of the earth crust is called soil, and the composition, and it's made up of water, air, particles of the minerals and the organic matter. And what is the organic matter? The dead plants and animals. And what is the importance of the soil? It's the home for the plants and animals. Which animals? Rabbit, rats, moles, snakes, millipedes, earthworm, beetles, ants. And what they are doing? They dig up the soil, bring air into the soil, their waste enriches the soil with the nutrients. So it's the overall view of the today concept. I hope you will learn this and understand it. So please revise all these important points. Allah Hafiz, take care.